guys, it's time to start working on the Dodge D200. If you remember from my previous video when I bought the truck, you'll remember that it had a bad starter and the ignition switch had been cut out. So I ordered a new ignition switch. We'll have to try to figure out that wiring and get that switch installed, as well as replace the starter and the starter relay. So let's get started and see if we can get this truck running. Starter doesn't look old. Alright, we got a new starter. Let's get that put in. Alright, I got a new relay as well. I'm going to replace a few items. It looks like they tried to do some wiring work and bypass a few things. So it looks like there might be a few issues, so we'll replace some parts and see if we can get it working correctly. Alright, when I bought the truck, it didn't have an ignition switch in it. So I ordered one, and now I have to figure out these wires. So I'm kind of tracing them out, trying to figure out where they go to make sure they're correct. I've looked online to see what color wire corresponds with which post, and I haven't had any good luck, so I'm just going to try to figure this out. I did find a wiring diagram online, but the text is very blurry, and it doesn't tell what color wire goes on the corresponding post on this ignition switch. Interesting. So the black wire is hot. That's awesome. Got it running, but we still have a few more wires to figure out. I know this goes to the windshield wipers. I believe these are brake lights. And then this red and black should be tied together. But I need to figure out what post, corresponding post they go to on this new ignition switch. So I have left ignition 2, accessory, and then GRD, which would be, I'm assuming, ground. So we'll still have to figure those out, but at least it runs.